Hi everybody, we want to demonstrate here the security assessment of Ninja website by Krutika and Megha. Let's begin with the XSS vulnerability. Here we clicked on a product and went to write a comment for the product. In the comment field, we inserted a script to alert hi. As you can see, the script replayed the alert. This could be used by the attacker to get any valuable information about the website. Another attack would be the session hijacking attack. When we wrote a script to get the cookies values, we found Zen ID and Shop ID being available to the user. These values can be used by an attacker to replay or hijack a user's session. The next we would like to point out are the cookie vulnerabilities. As you can see in the screenshot, the Zen ID cookie does not have any secured or HTTP only value set. That means the cookies are being transmitted without the secure flag. This could be fatal and the cookies can be used by any malicious user. The next vulnerability which we found out was the SQL injection. To find out if the website was vulnerable to SQL injection, we added a single quote in the URL, and this led to a SQL error, and we could actually see tables like products and product description, and some fields like product status and product ID. This shows that the database used was MySQL, and it also displayed some of the table names and the column names. The next thing which we did was to get some more SQL information. So we added the username as kk@gmail.com and 1 equal to 1. This led to another SQL error, but this time we were displayed information of the customer's table like customer's ID, customer's first name, last name, and all the below information. The next thing which we would like to point out is the password hashing algorithm revealed. As you can see to the customer's password below, we confirmed it with an MD5 online hash generator, and it reveals us what the password was. So this way any malicious user can get the information of the password if he gets the MD5 hash. So mainly the password enforcing rules are really weak. There should be more stringent rules so that it does not lead in the compromise of the website. The rules currently are only 7 characters long, but there should be some enforcement restrictions for having upper and lowercase characters or having digits and some special characters. This would make the password really strong and difficult for an attacker to crack it. We also found out that the certificate was self-signed. As you can see below, the certificate is being issued by Ninja Shop. This means that the website is not verified by any certificate authority. Another thing which you would like to point out is the document caching vulnerability. It allows user to access potentially confidential documents even though the original requesting user may logged out of the application. This could be easily found out by pressing the back key and it takes back to the user's session. Another error which we faced was an error while registration. When we were creating an account for some data, it actually gives us this error, insert into customers info, and it also gives us some information about the customers info table. We also found out that there were some cross-frame scripting attacks which could be easily done on the website. The user could be instructed to follow a specific link which leads to a legitimate page from the online application but is embedded in a frame hosted by attacker's server. That way the attacker would be able to capture all the information that the user enters. Another vulnerability would be to have HTML or JavaScript comments which can leak potential information to the attackers which they can exploit to their benefit, like having some test accounts for testing or known bug areas or some less mature modules. This information could be really important information and can be easily exploited by any attacker. So these were few of the attacks which we performed on the Ninja website. Thank you.